Broccoli stuffed chicken is a delicious and healthy dish that can be enjoyed any day of the week. Here's a simple recipe to make broccoli stuffed chicken at home. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ½ cup finely chopped broccoli florets, 1/4 cup chopped onion, ½ cup shredded cheddar cheese, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper, to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine the finely chopped broccoli florets, chopped onion, shredded cheddar cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Lay the chicken breasts flat on a cutting board and slice them lengthwise down the center, being careful not to cut all the way through. Open the chicken breasts up like a book. Spoon the broccoli and cheese mixture into the center of each chicken breast. Fold the chicken breast back together and secure it with toothpicks. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breast to the skillet and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until browned. Transfer the skillet with the chicken breast to the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the chicken breasts from the oven and let them rest for a few minutes before removing the toothpicks and serving. Enjoy your delicious and healthy broccoli stuffed chicken.